Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. In my today's video, I'll show you how I make this Hong Kong style pineapple bun. This is very easy recipe you can make on your own. So you can see the top part is always crunchy. Here I'll be using my full cream milk, and then sugar, instant yeast, and salt. I'll be mixing everything to well combine, and I'll be adding my whole egg and mix all to well combine. I'll be adding my mixture, my wet mixture into the flour. And I'll mix everything to well combine. And now I'll be using my hand to do the kneading. Feel free to use a mixer or a kneading machine if you have one. But I prefer to use hand on this video. I'm adding my butter to this dough, and I'll continue to knead it until it becomes soft. Remember, what makes your bread better is the more you knead, the more the dough comes out well. So in a bread, it needs to be kneaded more. So you have to knead it more and more. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, remember to like my video, love it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be placing it on my greased bowl and cover it and set it aside to double in size for 14 minutes. So I'll be mixing the top part of this pineapple bun. Here I added my butter, and I'll be adding my sugar. I'll be mixing them to well combine. And I'll be adding my 2 egg yolks to this recipe. So remember, if the yellow on the egg yolk is not enough, you can add a drop of yellow food coloring, but this is optional, it's not mandatory, it's up to you. I'll be mixing everything to well combine, and I'll be placing my flour into the mixture and add my baking powder. I'll mix everything to well combine. This is very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. Here I'm adding my vanilla flavor. This is my homemade vanilla flavor. I'm adding it to the mixture. Here is ready, but I'll be scooping it into my cling wrap for it to firm up. I'll put it on my refrigerator for 2 hours. Here my dough is ready. And I'll be molding it according to how I want it to be. You can see the dough came out so well. The more you knead, the better it becomes. Very easy to apply. And here I'll be slicing my dough to 85 grams for my balls. So feel free to cut as you want, but I prefer to make it 85 grams for each ball. I'll be molding it and placing it on my baking pan. So if you have watched me this far, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, and love my video, share and comment. Okay, it has a long way encouraging me on this journey. My doughs are ready. So now I'll be doing the top part of it. Well, I said this is a biscuit, but it's the crunchy part of this pineapple bun. So I'll be rolling it and making it flat again. So this is very easy recipe. I'll be glad if you get to try this. Yes. If you think you cannot use this cutter to make it flat, you can use even your pan to flatten it the way you want it. It still works the same. So all you need to place it on top of your ball dough. As you flatten it, you place it on top. This is very easy, and I bet you can get it right if you get to try this. So you can see I have to make this rhombus shape on the top of this pineapple bun. I think this is why it was called pineapple bun, because this is the shape is like top of the skin of the pineapple. This is very easy recipe, and I know you will love it if you try it. I'll be brushing it with my egg wash to make it more shiny. Now it's ready to be baked. I'll be baking it on 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. You can see it came out so well. It's still hot. I'll check the crunchy part. Oh, very crunchy. Oh. Okay, my pineapple bun is ready. So I hope you'll get to try this recipe. All you need to do is to follow the steps I have shown you. You will get it right. It's very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. Thank you for watching me this far. Thank you so much. I do appreciate. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment and share. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.